Ebusanfo mamu nyina akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Yanko ene asem no so. Ebusanfo, I saw something ewo internet niswa and I'm very disappointed. And I have a good reason for being disappointed. And my reason is simple. I believe, sir, we must allow politicians to do their politics. Politicians, no, politics. But when it comes to the security services of a minor, we must not play games with it. When it comes to our military, our police, our national security, our immigration, fire service, customs, we should not be playing tricks and saying, in fact, we should not be doing that with those bodies. Because the survival of our democracy is at stake. Look, on record, there is no government since independence that has retooled our security services the way Akufo-Addo, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia did over 8 years from 2017 to 2024. And the records are there to show for it. And you say, Mina Meko, Debbie. The records are there to show for it. The kind of investment MPP deliberately make into the security services. Now it was not easy. For the first time, police service received helicopters. 3 helicopters. 3. 1, 2, 3. Purchased by MPP government. Since independence, they didn't even have 1 helicopter. In fact, the first set of pilots were trained in South Africa. 6 of them sponsored by MPP government. When we came to power, Najo Mama, His Excellency NDC, they had ordered Corolla cars for themselves and their side chicks and their baby mamas. Unfortunately for them, before cars were doing, now there was change in government. When those vehicles arrived, Akufo-Addo took those vehicles and gave them to the police. That is when you will see, say, police service, no more Corolla cars. Yeah, those cars were meant for side chicks and baby mamas. Yeah. Oh, I'm serious about it. Yeah, Akufo-Addo could have said, let's give it out to our party people. But we gave it to the police service. Over 4,000 motorbikes to the police service. We are police in Kwao. I've not gone to military yet. I've not gone to immigration. Right? And when you see, say, barely 2 years after Akufo-Addo, a PRO, Public Relation Officer of Ghana Fire Service, will boldly come out and say, the last time the fire service of the Republic of Ghana received fire tenders, now it was under President Mills, then you feel like, bonasum. Eh? How would you say such a thing? How would you say such a thing? Meanwhile, we have on records, say, under Akufo-Addo Bawumia government, even training school, fire service training school, built by us, MPP, with standard modern dormitories. I know, sir, you are talking about fire tender, but I'm just talking about some of the things we did for them. And let me now say that we even bought rapid intervention vehicles, RIVs, for the fire service. But because sometimes when you have people who are part of the forces, yet they are so engulfed, soaked, our politics more. These are some of the things that happen. So now, some way, somehow, politicians are succeeding in infiltrating even our forces, then we should be worried. You should be worried. The guy Kasano. If it were to be some advanced democracy and as a serious country there, you should be resigning. Because you are a disgrace to the fire service of the Republic of Ghana. Yeah. You are being used by politicians and you should be ashamed for being used. For allowing yourself to be used by politicians, you should be ashamed. You see, one thing is sure, and it's no matter what you do, you can never erase the legacy of the MPP, Akufo-Addo, and the next government of Dr. Bawumia. The legacy is that you cannot erase it. You will keep feeling the impact, the positive impact of MPP-led administrations, day after day, night after night, generation after generation. That is for sure. And then, Kofoko Square, free, one free meal, school feeding, is still ongoing. Kufo, several years ago, thought about it. And then everybody wants to have a Ghana card. Yeah. It will outlive generations. That is MPP for you. That is why we are proud belonging to the New Patriotic Party. There's an interesting conversation after this. Don't go anywhere. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Still, your project, about the studio, still, also. For some time now, I've not been able to come your way directly from productions because of one or two things. And Doomsons and Sema Ghana has so easy and Doomsony network. So that is why you've not heard updates from the studio projects now. But we are still on, and you can support us using the numbers as they appear on your screen. Thanks to all of you who have actually come to our aid. Ghana Sam TV GHD. And yet, as other blogs know, we are a family and we are doing this together. And the penultimate aim, and is we want to see the elephant back to the Jubilee House. And however you will support us for us to achieve that aim now, please do.
Ni peta ono chese ye nhu ni su ubenya obi ti se abaya bi ono nso sa ono nso koji obi kunu ono nso de no nkobo Vivian Je mu sora na mu begu this MPP anim ase ene mu nyina wo Vivian Je wanim tefu se China ni abrewa fu ene enye ya papa kofo ni free food nu aduane bi na ye ena wadi aboso school feeding program enye na wadi aboso wo sori so na wudwa wanum se wuska na NDC die nyame obetua NDC for kan ye kasa monfa policy mra oh me say sister emre bi NDC ni bi kan sem bi ma mewre hoye ye kasa se ya nam say ye pe NDC wa obetumi ama me NDC single policy a NDC dia ba me giant PP campaign ya ye campaign ama NDC because of ultimate policy NDC dia ba Ghana ni bia nya ho mfaso a woni masema o kan o se me metimi ama tu na mse ma me tu so ma me tu a me giant campaign ya me campaign ama do mama do me penasem o de na yire nkransan bi o se me ya campaign ama ana me se bo ma me o se ya Kumasi kajetia una usiye UGMC una se na mse ye ka policy o ye ka project o ye kan hihye ya aban bi di aban Ghana ni bi anya so mfaso to say free SHS school feeding program and national health insurance free maternal care ane de keka ho aye papa kofo na Nana Addo de bai akwano sa akwano so tuye so yira ye se ni internet ne call off hwem manhu ni bim enti sa anya NDC fo ankam nim se ye ka policy a ye hospital any market enu nti won se omo beka 133 no 24-hour economy no wan say no omo dani ninti a omo mpese omo nkrofo no behu se 24-hour economy ni enye dwa esie ho asem na enye dwa die na ya adwuma se obi ya adwuma wo office bia obeye 8 hours na wapon na foforo aba no once crofo no mpanyimfo no trick omunti si 24-hour market so kan 24 hours ye di dwa o so kan 24-hour market because so matrick omo enti NDC for uni NDC ni ya dia ya NDC ni ka asem kire wa ya enso ubie na adwene mu a amti hwinim NDC for omadwene ne aya liquid soap nyansanim enti yesre mo hwe enora se edu nketia ye nyansani a wo na mni se edu nketia na mni so ye nyansani pa Dr. Bawumia kwaka asembi awo sunwane SD for omo 40th anniversary Midwest Ghana mission asama Dr. Bawumia kan ye no na o se nka se edu nketia gina so ne mananimi ka asem o se oye nyansani ba se edu nketia na mu se sa ne kasa wo kanyina no jimi ni dos wono na etete nkura no so o nkoso njiwe Dr. Bawumia se me ba no enkrofo bi ma me nkra sankra no nso na doctor aye Ghana fo nyina ade ada o makoma so enti men kan kira ne say kokwa akuafo say omo de omo ka aburo akuafo say omo de omo ka kashufo say omo de omo ka adwumayefo a wontu omo ka o say omo de omo ka
Ghana for quiet hey kwa odumdum ye light
Ghana youth 133 omo de omo ka enti men kan kira
ba me kwa ye de no kwa wanfa nkan dum so no kwa wanfa nkan
dum so no de kan ho ano say Ghana fo nyina say dum so ya abanso mo de omo ka bebre se eye me yawo menye politician anasa me kasama NPP a ase edu nketia betimi aye me papa na me wofa ontimi nye me Nana Addo but obetimi aye me wofa anasa me papa especially obetimi aye me papa nka asama nka mekani
oh na obeje mpancho we de mame 1 minute fe me fanka se me nchiro bi wa hawa me pancho we me ye nka me nka ma adwene nchiro bi o say Joseph Zong me ne mo kasa ebusuafo Joseph ne commenter wotumi de baaye ne best commenter Joseph de baaye pa ne say you see Bawumia is a wise person, God forbid. Joseph ya kan ya se mo no ani o Joseph no ni me call ne hono ma me fa me ye me kama ne Joseph no ni Joseph no ni Joseph we bema wanu abu agum te se dia we autistic patient wa bodam a afi na ye nansa na afi na baba no ba ka cha go bi say Bawumia no ye hu ne so ye wise person, God forbid. Pass ni mobile money interpretability na we use free mobile money e free bank they call mobile money Dr. Lachi Mahmood Bawumia e na maye ni yiye why you nim sa papo aboa papo na de na mo no de engineer no why people this stupid Mahama Collins anyway kura mama na be president na Dr. Lachi Mahmood Bawumia the road draws am way na because road draws kura na wa be president how much more Bawumia how much more Bawumia most of them would inquire asemashi na mo didi inquire na young Jesus na Jimmy no de bia ka ho no so church e mo fe mahamo ye community ni edwamanfo se bi oro dross aga na fo nyina hu ye mpo me se mo obeye president na nye obi se bi vice president and him 33 policies otumi aye kanye mpumeme bi bu tesem a enye pumeme ebi mu tesem a na ka se bi o man Ghana ka bi eduru nka eduru nani enso mpumeme fin train kwasiafo bi mu tesem nti ena o man Ghana ye dey so dum som na ka bi ampempen so Ghana ye duru no ki ye dum som in 2027 26 aye ko 27 ye dum som Ghana nkoyi enema ye basa we are even still talking about how our girls Ghana koyi in this century and this year because you won kwasiafo mpumeme bi mu tesem a munni nyansa ni adwane and we have to suffer because of munti nkwasi asemunti yes say Ghana. So we just have to come in and our comment section and insult a person say what the policies about who wenya some for so Dr. Lachi Mahmood Bawumia policy for the buy no obi enya some for so wo pumeme wenya some for so na mo de mo jimi tete hanam na jimi na aka mo some mbra comment section data bo ofo ti e be deep vice president na tem na ya fa ye ho adi ne ye ko mahama kra ye ni na tem mahama ni ne sim hu ne mo ye wa ha ye ni na tem ye nka na asem ye mahama ye nka na asem ye ni na tem ye te ama mienu be ka so mo ne president ne da ye nka na asem na ya send ne naked videos ne the naked ne on the handle social media accounts na ye nka ho asem ye jeni na amanaka na be gina comment section be ka Bawumia asem ala mo magimi won kwasi anim wate so maame ya ɔte ne baabi odwene ne ho a ɔmpɛ ne ho asɛm ho nso yɛbɛdi watam ne yɛbɛdi ne bi aka ho because wawo apɔnkye bi aba Ghana ka ɔde condom keke betumi ama yɛyi wafiri ho condom keke could have prevented you a wasted sperm te sɛ wo condom could have prevented you na sɛ bi yɛ mmaa na yɛ na ɛtɔ da so abortion yɛ nyɛ ntini yɛyi yɛ wo nkwasiafoɔ bi mu te sɛ mo na maba social media so na you want to write nonsense about somebody say your death policies about what memuni you have benefited your family benefited free SHS will boost your for benefited kwasi ampanyi woni trust the what woni trust ni twam ne twabakwe kwasi abema
besi sesi ya na unim mi ha enti baabi ana maduru ni say semini ase edu nketi anka nyansasem we ya Dr. Halaji Mahmoud nyansasem we ya Dr. Halaji Mahmoud Bawumia edi tu manima me ba ya me betie nka me so me gina nka meka se sorry for me damase se mama Dr. Halaji Mahmoud Bawumia kwan amana beka Ghana for how akire yen akire mo nso na mate me kwa me ni mampanyini beka amana tu ho anamon se wo ye papa wo ye nyansafo nka sa asem we na se wo kan na nka wo nka se oba ye no de ha be campaign platform na wo asem na akogina ho yi ano na enye campaign na wo so koye ene yesra asole se momompa ye mayi nuanom no mo nsa na wo se du nketi ho na sen sak ho na sen ayi adwensa krache wo nyansasem obekan yate sorry for damase nka sa asem ekure bi anka nye mo a anka yenim se Ghana for nsem se ha wo mo entimi nua na obekasa ye no mate mekwa meka kire wo na nne mo ye ka policies a ye te oman Ghana mu ana mo vice president ya na ye hu so ye AIO so ye friend say follow me shadow for hwan fum bi na wo kwa na sunsum di wachi no mi refi ni din eno so ye ono ni penso the whole country ye short to chok ama afia Schwarzenegger mu nyina ko donate chok ehwa ne ye nya disable na otimi di clean aye de ya ayowa etimi di ye chok ema na school for giga na omo de twere ma mi ya penso ni penso enyo obi a penso ana mo se mu be man kwala omo ni bia ko school day student mu din kwala 100 we say 100,000 shares ye no omo pa omo machire school fees omo tuae wo man tua kapre Dr. Matthew Poku prempeso baye die na da ni table so amame ne pana chew se mesrew me pa chew oba saka we 300 and something million Ghana cedis me pa chew oba tuama me na wo yan this ni na ye tie Kenya asem kirew o president akoto abobu ya se yemfanya ambulance ma wani nwu asem wo betena ha ba be kansin hu se NPP samunsem hunu we na Addo ne ba Dr. Bawumia DB obi ani bi because NPP for a guy and NDC for the side your mama catch am some dem your ordinary person hwibaro for kaya yo for omo nkwasi for nko a sabi omi ka so hwibaro ayo kwase a na mum ayabo president na mu di na chi ne kai entimi nua man me nua no me de manu si no yesra mo NPP for enkamomu odo biakoye akomakro yemfanta Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia chi na 2028 Dr. Media Kunyane na Dr. na ye Ghana dachi Dr. na ye Ghana future enti yesre mo ye pamo chew momyemfa odo eni nkamomu na momye nyai apo ne so ntokwa nketenkin se de minim se emu adwo na mmom yesre mo emu adwo a ba ko nkofa mama ba ko mesoso yesre mo ye pamo chew emu adwo a mo amudi kan ntokwa no mamu nkwa kan ntokwa biem yesre mo ada